Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the S10 Max Smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to focus more on the menus and features that is available on the smartwatch. Here on the box, it states that it has support for Siri, NFC, off-screen pointer, Bluetooth call, so I'm not familiar with this one. We do have here for the health, it has at least 5 here. Aside from the sleep monitoring, we do have the blood sugar, blood fat, blood oxygen, uric acid, and heart rate. So I'm interested to see what are the additional features for the S10 Max Smartwatch. Again, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please support our channel by subscribing, liking the videos, or sharing it on other social media sites. Again, this is Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. If you have any questions regarding the S10 Max Smartwatch, if you are planning to buy one, watch this video first. And of course, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the S10 Max Smartwatch. So this is the S10 Max Smartwatch. It says 10th anniversary edition and it has an AMOLED screen. We'll check on additional specs for this one. If you want to know more about the specs and the design, check out the first video for the unboxing of the S10 Max Smartwatch. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's focus on the wearable. So we do have here some preloaded watch faces. So beautiful looking watch faces here. So preloaded with several watch faces. And I guess it also has a support for the custom watch face. For the UI, on top we have the notifications. On the bottom part we have a window type. And all of the apps here on the bottom part. On the other side we have a grid type menus, showing all or some of the common applications here. On the other side, we have the different module or cards. You can add one and you can remove one as well. This one, this side button here, it works as a shortcut to the options or the settings. As you can see here, we have the different settings here and other functionalities. The Bluetooth, the not disturb mode, heart rate, and I guess this is a calculator. To access the menu, just press the power button. So we have here a bubble type menu. Let's look for the grid menu, so you can check out the details, the name of the different apps. So we have here the style 1, the style 2, the style 3. This is the bubble type, including this one. So where's the list style? Okay, so we have here the style 5. So let's select this one. Okay, again press, and we have here the different menus and features of the S10 Max Smartwatch. So we have the sports function, the sleep monitoring, we have automatic activity tracking here, heart rate, the blood pressure, the blood oxygen, we also have it here, message notifications, dial for the Bluetooth call, we have the call history, contacts, and the dial keys. Going back, we have the Bluetooth music, weather report, breathing guide, we have the calculator, alarm, we have here sedentary reminders, stopwatch, Bluetooth or taking pictures here, Bluetooth photo control. We have voice assistant. It says it has support for Siri. Okay, we'll check on that. We have find phones, game, car race. We have a torch, that is a flashlight. Can we adjust this? No adjustment. We have a short video. I guess this one is for TikTok. We have calendar, contacts, WeChat, for social apps, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. We have a drink reminder, menstrual cycle, shutdown, language, QR code, app view. We already done with this. And uric acid, as stated here on the box. Okay, blood sugar, blood fat. Let's see. We have uric acid, blood sugar, blood fat. So where's our, do we have a blood oxygen? But we don't have a blood pressure. Do we have a blood pressure? Let's see. Seems like we don't have a blood pressure. Okay, we do have it here. Heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen. We'll check on that later on. Let's focus on the sports. We have badminton, basketball, bowling, boxing. I guess this one is elliptical machine, football, free training, gymnastic, hip hop, indoor skating, jump rope, climbing, ride, rowing machine, running, squat, stepper, stretch, walking, ping pong, treadmill, yoga, volleyball, and that's it. Okay, so far we do have a very good list of sports functions here. Not that much, but I think it's okay. Okay, check on the heart rate. Let's check on the UI. Heart rate, this is the UI of the heart rate. The blood pressure, the blood oxygen. How about our blood sugar? Let's see. Blood sugar, uric acid, and blood fat. I'm not sure if this is accurate or not, but we'll check. Okay. Language support. Then let's go to the settings. Do we have the settings? App view, QR code, shutdown. Let's see. I'm interested on the short video here. Settings. We have the notice, general. We have the QR code here. Do not disturb mode. Display and brightness. 30 seconds. Screen lock. Okay, dynamic island. We also have a support. Shake to answer. I guess this is the gesture support. Night brightness. Time setting. We have an option here for 12-hour and 24-hour format time. Sound and touch. Let's check. We have call sound, media voices, and shop. We have password and SOS. Okay, so we do have a lot of options here for our S10 Max Smartwatch. It is one of the latest smartwatch with this new UI, new operating system. Seems like they are getting better and better when it comes to feature offering as well as the UI options. Again, here are the features. Check it one by one. You check it if, let's see if you have the feature that you want in the smartwatch. Short video, calendar, contacts, WeChat, QQ. So here are the supported applications. You cannot install Facebook or WhatsApp here, but you can get notifications. Menstrual cycle for women. For the language support, here are the languages supported by the S10 Max Smartwatch. Okay. And that's it. Okay. So if you are interested with the S10 Max Smartwatch, drop a comment below. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And again, we ask for your support. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!